Hey, to be honest, I don't really know what to say right now, but I will just speak. So it's me, Yong, and today is my 30th and final day of this challenge, speaking and improving my English. So in my 30 days journey in learning English, so I can say that it's very effective to practice every day, to read every day, and to listen on English podcast, movies, and stories. So those learning practices that I have been doing for a month right now is very effective for me, and I can suggest it also to those who are willing and eager to learn English like me, because like me, I started with those very simple and basic words. And right now, although I consider also myself as a beginner in learning English, but I can say that I improved just a little, but at least I have an improvement when regards to my uh, vocabulary, pronunciation, and also in some grammar rules. So right now I am reading a book called Grammar Book, a blue book of grammar. So I've been reading that for almost 2 weeks now, and that is very confusing for me, because as a beginner, it is not really recommended to focus on grammar rules, because it will just confuse your brain. But for me, I will just try to read it because as because I am uploading my videos on social media. So for me to feel not embarrassed with my grammar, so still I am reading the grammar rules, and also I focused on the proper use of that what do you call that one, the verb, conjunction, and other rules in grammar. So but if you want to learn, just practice the basic one, and also just practice speaking, because it is the most important part of learning English. You have to speak every day, so you don't have to let the day pass um, without speaking in English, because your brain might think that it is not important for you to learn that language. So I prefer that you have to speak every day. At least 30 to 1 hour is enough. So that's it. And also thank you guys for for those people who's really supported me from day one up to here, and expect you guys that I will upload another videos tomorrow and for the next months until I become fluent. So thank you very much, and have a nice day, everyone.